Good morning, children. Open your book Genesis, page number 33. Unit 2, My World and My Surroundings. Lesson 5, Home. Why do we need a home or house? Tell me, why we need a house? We need a house because it gives us a shelter and protect us from the heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals. That's why we need houses. Okay. Tell me the name of some materials used to make the houses. Houses are made of how many things? Cement, iron, sand, brick, basically these things, na? Okay. But in this lesson we will understand that how many type of houses are present in the world and where they belongs to. Okay. All of us live in a house. A house is one of our basic needs. It gives us shelters and protect us from heat, cold, rain, storm, thieves and animals. We feel safe in our house. So here house gives us shelter and protects from heat, cold, rain, storm and thieves and animals, and so that we feel safe in our house. There are different type of houses made of different type of materials. Let us now learn about them. Type of houses. So here the different type of houses present. Okay. So these are kacha house. In villages, most houses are kacha houses because these are made of the mud, bamboo, straw and leaves. These houses are not strong. Here you can see the picture of a kacha house. Okay. Whenever you go to the village, then find out the kacha houses. They are made of a mud, bamboos. Here the bamboo, you can see bamboo and straws and leaves. These are not too strong. Okay. Now come to the next one. Pakka house. We see pakka house in towns, cities mostly. Pakka house are made of a brick, cement, wood, iron, etc. These houses are very strong. This is a pakka house. Okay. Then this pakka house is made up of a brick, cement, wood, iron, and it's a very strong house. Okay. Next one is igloo. An igloo is made of a snow. Igloos are found in Antarctica or in other such places where remain covered with the snow and ice throughout the year. So igloos are found in Antarctica region or in places where mostly ice and snows are present throughout the years. Okay. And these are made in like that. Okay. Do you know animals also need a house to live in? Can you tell about the shelter of the animals? Animal also need a protection, so they also need a house to live in. Like frog live in a pond, but when it is in hibernation period, live in a land, make a small hole and live there. Okay. And like that birds, they live in a nest, and monkey, they live in a trees. Okay. So find out such type of animals who are live in a different shelters or different houses. Next house is houseboat. This is a houseboat. It is a house made of a boat and floats on a water. Houseboats are found in Kashmir and Kerala. We can stay in boat house if we visit these places during the holidays. So this type of a houseboat you can find in a Kashmir and Kerala, and we can also stay in such a boat houses, and you will get all the facilities that we have in our houses in these boat houses. Okay, so these boat houses are made of made on boats, and they float on the water. That's why they are called house boats. Okay, next one is temporary house. Some houses like a tent or a caravans are temporary houses. These houses are used by those pupils who keep moving from one place to another place. Okay, so these are temporary houses, and they may be tent or caravans. Okay, and we can fold these houses, and they can move from one place to another place. Okay, now the activity. Mark the correct sentence with pink color and wrong with the green color. All of us need a house to live in. We all need a house to live in, so it's a correct one. In city, the houses are known as kacha houses. No, in cities, houses are known as pakka houses. So it's wrong. Igloo is made up of a cement and wood. No, it's made up of a snow. So this is again wrong. Caravans are used by the people who keep moving from one place to another place. This is the correct one. Okay, because this is a temporary house. Come to the next point. Most of us live in a pakka houses. There are many rooms in a pakka houses. Each room has its own use. Let's learn about the different rooms in a pakka houses. So in a pakka houses there are so many rooms. So we will learn how many type of rooms are present in a pakka houses. Rooms in a pakka house. Drawing room. This is a drawing room. We welcome our guests and talk to them in this room. This is a drawing room. Okay, so here we welcome our guests and talk in this room. Dining room. This is a dining room. Okay, and we take the meal in this room. And small houses may not have a dining room, so it's optional, because in a small houses there is very less space, so there may be not dining room. Next one is study room. This is a study room. We can study here. Mother, father can read, and we do our office work in this study room. Okay, some houses may not have the separate study room. Bedroom. This is a bedroom. We sleep in our bedroom, and houses can have one or two or more bedrooms according to their size. This is a kitchen. All the meals are cooked in this kitchen. Washroom or bathroom. This is a bathroom, and it is also called a washroom. We can take bath here, and most of the bathrooms have a wash basins and toilet facilities. Okay, now did you know a studio apartment is a house which have one big room that is used in a part of drawing room, bedroom, kitchen, etc. there is a separate bathroom and a balcony. So this type of a house is called studio apartments. Okay. Now many big houses have a separate room for praying and worship also. We should keep our house neat and clean. Our house keep us safe from the wild animal and protect us from the wind, rain and heat of the sun. A house has many doors and windows. It also has a roof and many walls. The roof cover the top of the house. This is a roof. So this roof cover the top of the houses. Okay, and here the walls are present, and this is door, and here the windows. These are the windows. Now again the activity. Tick the right answer. I study in a bathroom or a study room. I study in a study room. We eat our food in a dining room. I take bath in a bathroom. We took food in a bedroom or a kitchen. We cook a food in a kitchen. Kacha house is made of a mud. Okay, so tick all these correct answers. Now let's recall type of houses. How many type of houses we have read in this lesson? Kacha house, pakka house, igloo, boat house and temporary house or a tent house. Okay, most of us have a pakka houses. So here in pakka houses we have read different rooms, like drawing room where we welcome our guest, study room where we study our books, dining room where we take the meals, kitchen we cook the food in our kitchen, bedroom where we sleep, okay, and bathroom where we take the bath. So here we have also learned the different rooms: drawing room, study room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. Understand everybody? Thank you.